Every time I get a strong emotion, I get inspired. I go a lot to museums. Every time there is something new in architecture, I go and see it. Everything that's related to art, for me, it's important. Could be life, an emotion of the day, could be nature, could be a smell of the street. I never stop, It's 24 hours. I'm just looking, and I don't control it. It just comes naturally. I have a notebook with me all the time, and I write. I need intellectual stimulation all the time. It's not at my desk that I'm going to create my formula. I decided to go to a perfumery school in Paris, and then I came to New York, and I started working with a well-known perfumer. Her name was Sophia Grossman. I started 4.5 years ago with an accord I fell in love with. It was a Narguilé accord. They wanted something new, a modern oriental, something that represents what opium represented at that time, an avant-garde fragrance with a lot of personality. For me, an iconic fragrance is a fragrance that has a lot of personalities, a breakthrough with a lot of quality. When a fragrance comes on the market and it's unique, it brings its own signature, it has quality, it's a true fragrance, then it stays forever.